Imagine a world where everything is interconnected, every item, every device and every business. People begin to communicate not only among themselves, but also with robots. Moreover, think about what humankind could achieve if robots could interact with each other without human intervention.
482.solutions represents completely new approach to building business models using robo-economy.
Robonomics is the economic model of the robot P2P relationships, with the exception of the human factor.
A society of robots is no longer just an idea, it's a reality. Robocharge is a project that shows economic robot interaction technological possibility. To implement this solution, we use two blockchain platforms, REMI and Proxima X. REMI was used for providing an encrypted communication channel. A REMI protocol performs the function of distributed public key infrastructure protocol, and Proxima X Mosaic was used for mutual settlements between robots. It's worth noting that blockchain platform Proxima X based on the NAME blockchain, and we also use such transaction types like aggregated bonded and log fund. It allows making the minimum logic in the process of interaction of robots, while not resorting to writing smart contracts. Let's take a look how two robots interact with each other on the example of event when one of them needs to be recharged and the second provides that service. A discharged robot signals to a friend that it needs help and creates an aggregate bonded transaction to pay for service and indicates in it the account of the service robot as a one of the signatures. The log fund transaction is created and sent next. In this transaction, the hash of previously created aggregated bonded transaction is included, and the aggregated bonded transaction is sent. The charging robot receives a notification from the blockchain about the creation of the transaction in which it is the recipient of funds, and only after confirming the transaction it begins to act, pull up to the robot in need of charging and performs it. After the service is provided, both robots see an aggregated bonded transaction and the robot that completed the charging receives funds. The transaction is complete and both robots are satisfied without our participation.